In today's video, we're diving into exactly how to find viral products to sell on TikTok Shop. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been thinking about getting into TikTok Shop, but you're feeling stuck on one question, what do I actually sell? This video is for you. The thing that most people get wrong is they pick a product based on a gut feeling, they list it, and then wonder why nothing happens. TikTok Shop doesn't work like Amazon. You can't just throw up a listing and wait for search traffic to bring people in. Products go viral because of content. And the sellers who win are the ones who know how to spot a product before everyone else has jumped on it. So in this video, you'll know the exact methods to find products that are already gaining momentum, how to check if there's real demand before you spend even $1, and what products to stay away from entirely. So let's go ahead and get into it. Before we talk about how to find products, you need to understand why TikTok Shop is different from every other platform out there. On Amazon, people search for what they already want. They type in a product name, scroll through results, and then buy. That's called search commerce. TikTok, on the other hand, operates on something completely different, which is called discovery commerce. Nobody opens TikTok looking to buy anything. They're there to be entertained, and then they see a video and suddenly they need that thing. That shift changes everything on how you actually pick products. On Amazon, you want a product people are already searching for. On TikTok, you want a product that stops someone mid-scroll. It has to be visual, it has to make sense in a few seconds, and it has to feel like something they didn't know they needed until that exact moment. That's honestly the whole game, and once you understand it, product research on TikTok really starts to click for you. Okay, now we're diving into key methods to find viral products. Method number 1 is the TikTok Creative Center. You want to start here. It's completely free. What you want to do is use our link down in the description below and get signed up for TikTok ads, and then you can go ahead and navigate to the Creative Center. Then what you'll want to do is find the top products section. This pulls data directly from TikTok's platform, so you're not guessing, you're looking at real numbers. You can filter by region, category, and time frame. What you're looking for is products that have a high click volume and are generating a lot of video content from multiple creators. When you see the same product showing up across creators who don't seem to be coordinating, that's organic momentum, and that's exactly what you want to get in front of. So pay attention to how many videos are being made about a product, not just how many sales it has. A lot of creator content means the product is naturally inspiring people to make videos, and that is a major signal. Method number 2 is the TikTok Shop tab. So you just want to open TikTok on your phone and tap the Shop tab. Go ahead and browse through trending products section. This is live data, what's actually being purchased on the platform right now. You can even look at order counts on individual listings. And if you see a product with thousands of orders in a short period of time, that tells you that demand is actually real. Also, watch how TikTok serves you content after you interact with a few shopping ideas. The algorithm is going to start showing you that more. Pay attention to which products keep appearing across different creators. Repetition on TikTok is a signal, it's not an accident. Method number 3 is competitor shop research. Find TikTok accounts that are already selling in the niche that you're considering. Go to their profile, tap the store icon, and look at their top selling products. TikTok shows you which products have the most orders. This tells you what's already converting for real sellers in real time. You're not copying anyone, you're validating that demand actually exists. Method number 4 is Amazon movers and shakers. So Amazon's movers and shakers list shows you which products are climbing the fastest in sales rank right now. This really is a goldmine for TikTok research because products that are spiking on Amazon are often doing so because they went viral somewhere, and that somewhere is most often TikTok. When you spot something shooting up on the Amazon charts, search for it on TikTok. If there's already content building around it, you may still be early enough to get in. If there's almost no TikTok content yet, you might have a real first mover window. Either way, Amazon gives you a demand signal that takes the guesswork out of the validation. Method number 5 is TikTok search bar research. Type phrases like TikTok made me buy it or viral product directly into TikTok search bar. Look at the videos that come up, focus on the content that has over 100,000 views and has real comments from people saying they bought it or asking where to get it. That comment section is free market research. You're essentially looking for patterns. What type of products keep showing up? What problems do they solve? What's the reaction that people are having? Strong engagement with buyer intent comments is one of the clearest signals that a product converts. Let's go through the viral product checklist because not every trending product is the right product for you to sell. Before you commit to anything, run through this checklist step by step. First, ask if the product is usually interesting on camera. TikTok is a visual platform, so products that transform, demonstrate, or produce a satisfying result on video definitely perform best. If you can't imagine making an interesting 30-second video about it, move on. Second, check the price point. Products that sell well on TikTok are usually in the impulse buy range. If someone has to think too hard about whether they can afford it, the scroll is going to keep going. Aim for products where the price feels like an easy yes. Third, look for demo ability. The best TikTok products are the ones that basically sell themselves when you show them in use. Cleaning gadgets, beauty tools, kitchen items, portable accessories, these all work well because the product's value is obvious the moment you see it working. And fourth is to check the return rate potential. Some categories like electronics or clothing have naturally higher return rates because sizing, compatibility, or expectations don't always match reality. High return rates kill your metrics on TikTok Shop and are going to hurt your ranking. So stick to the products where what you see is clearly what you get. And fifth, make sure it's not restricted. TikTok Shop restricts categories like supplements, medical devices, adult products, and unregulated cosmetics. Always check the TikTok Shop Policy Center before you get excited about a product. Finding out after the facts is just going to waste time and money. Okay, now let's dive into some of the pros and cons. So the biggest advantage of doing product research this way is that you're working with real data. You're not just guessing what might work, you're finding what's already working and figuring out how to position yourself in that momentum. TikTok's own tools are free and they pull from actual platform activity. That's a really meaningful edge over people who are still picking products based on gut feelings or what they personally like. The challenge is timing because TikTok trends move really fast. Sometimes a product peaks and saturates within a few weeks. If you're slow to source, slow to list, or slow to create content, you can miss the window entirely. The research methods in this video are going to help you spot things early, but execution speed still matters a lot. Another thing to keep in mind is competition. The same tools that help you find winning products are available to everyone. When a product shows up in the creative center as a top performer, you're not the only one seeing it. That's why the checklist matters. You want to find products with real momentum that haven't yet hit full saturation, not ones where the market is already overcrowded. Okay, now if you want to get started with TikTok Shop, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. Once you click that link, you can actually get up to $11,900 in new seller rewards. By using our link, you can start your shop with a $0 setup fee and earn rewards to accelerate your growth. All you have to do is click our link and then you can continue with TikTok or TikTok for Business, Google, or Apple, and it will go through step by step. It's really, really simple. Should you start selling on TikTok Shop? TikTok Shop is an amazing fit for you if you're someone who's comfortable making short videos or willing to learn. You want to sell physical products without managing a warehouse, and if you're looking for a platform where organic content can drive real sales without a huge ad budget up front, it's definitely for you. It's also a strong move if you already have a product or niche in mind and you want to test demand quickly. TikTok Shop lets you move fast. You can go from idea to listed product to first sale in a matter of days if you're using the right tools. On the other hand, if you're not willing to create content or work with creators, TikTok Shop is going to be an uphill battle. This platform rewards people who show up consistently with the video. If you're hoping to list products and let them sit, this probably isn't the best platform for you right now. If you're still figuring out your store setup, Shopify also integrates pretty cleanly with TikTok Shop and just makes it easy to manage your products, orders, and inventory in one place. If you want to check out Shopify, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below where you can get started for free. I know how overwhelming it can feel to stare at a blank seller dashboard and have no idea where to start. Product research feels like the hardest part when you're new, but once you have a system, it becomes a lot more manageable. The methods in this video, the TikTok Shop Creator Center, the Shop tab, competitor research, Amazon crossover, and the search bar all give you a real process. Use them together and you'll start to see patterns very quickly. And again, if you want to jump into start building your TikTok shop, that link is down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you start your entrepreneurial journey and build a business that actually makes money with clear step-by-step guidance at every stage. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.